Hi everyone, we are going to do back to school shopping today. Are you excited to go back to school?
I don't know.
You don't know? Right there, there's school supplies. See, there's a big sign. It says school supplies. You want glue? Okay, yeah, we need glue. What else do we need? Oh, you found a pencil sharpener. Oh, we need rulers. Let's get some rulers. We need to get 3 rulers. Yeah, Leo, Hugo, and Ella. Go. Yay, good job. Put it in the shopping cart now. Okay, and then what else do we need? Oh, we need erasers. Yeah. Get 1 more erasers. Yeah. Yeah, there's a sharpener too. Okay. Ooh, look, there's these erasers. Should we get these ones right down there at the bottom?
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow, look, these ones have a little thing where you like push it up. Oh, pencils. Yeah, we need pencils. We're going to practice our sight words. Okay, what else do we have here? Whoa, look how many crayons that is. That's like 72 crayons. Do you like coloring with crayons or with markers? Do you like markers or crayons, Ella? What's this? Oh, look, you can want to get these ones. This one has 16 colors. Wow, look at 16 colors.
Yeah.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in the cart. Okay. Now we're going to the next aisle. We need a pencil case. Yeah, a pencil case. You just said what I was thinking. Hey, look at the cupcake one, Ella. Do you see the cupcake ones? Oh, there's a dino one. That's too small. It's not going to fit all your stuff. I know you like kitty stuff, but it's not going to fit all your stuff. Oh, you can get these big ones.
No, wait, I think I know. I think would this fit?
No. No, you have to get these big ones.
No, I think I know which one.
Which one? That's not big enough. You need a bigger one. You need a huge one because you're going to have all your markers and all that. And you have to have your eraser, your pencils, everything. So you need a big one. Yeah. See, that was the one I was thinking. Okay, get the 2 black ones for Leo and Hugo. The black one. Yeah. Okay.
Not one.
Okay, now what? Wow, look at all this stuff.
Mommy, that one is perfect.
Ooh, Ella found a dog and cat one. She loves animals. I think that one's big enough. You can get that one. Oh, you just threw it in the cart like bam. How about some gum? You want some gum? Okay, pick some gum. You get a treat for going back to school. Okay, that's the only one you want? You can get 3, 1 for each kid. Yeah. 3 different flavors. 1 blue one, 1 green one, and 1 pink one.
This one for me, that one for you, that one for you.
Okay, this one is a watermelon and strawberry flavor.
My favorite.
Yeah, and this one is, what's this?
But,
I think this one is the original,
yeah.
and this one is the blueberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, put it in the cart. Bam!
Should we buy a new water bottle?
A new water bottle? Don't you have a water bottle? Huh?
It's broken.
It's broken?
It doesn't really work when I slip the white straw on it.
Is this too small though?
I don't
Let's
know.
see. Oh, look at this unicorn one.
No.
No, these ones are hard to clean.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, unless we find a really good one. Oh, look, this is a Minecraft one, I think.
no, I'm not. I want that one.
Which one? This one? This one? Okay, this one's okay. Yeah, this one's okay. This one's easy to clean. Yeah.
You didn't open.
That's a nice color too. Wow. Okay. Now what? Oh, wait, are you gonna get the shopping cart? You're gonna have to get the shopping cart. Okay. Okay, wait. So did we get? We only got 1 notebook for you. I guess that's okay. And we got 2 of these. 40. 40 pages or 80 pages?
This one has a lot of pages.
No, this one I'm gonna get, instead of 40 pages, which is $3.79. Look, 40 pages, $3.79, or you get 80 pages for $3.98. Which one would you choose?
This one.
Yes, because look, it's $3.98 and this one's $3.76. So you get more value for this, 80 pages. So we're gonna buy 2 of these because the kids need it. Yeah, okay. We are almost done, I think. What else do we need? What else do we need? Okay, let's look over here. Let's look over here. Oh, okay, we have a hole punch. No, we don't need a hole punch. What else? Oh, and here's all these duotangs. We're gonna get a math set for Leo and Hugo. Okay, we're gonna get one. Okay, let's get one. Good job. Okay. What backpack do you want? That sparkly one? What does that say? It says justice. You want a justice? Whoa, it has even a lunch bag. Wow. Do you want this bag? Okay, let's try it on. Try it on. Try it on. Oops, I just dropped it. Sorry. Wow. Okay, turn around.
It's big enough.
Okay, yeah, turn around. Wow. Okay. Walk down and up in the aisle. Let's see. Wow. Wow, I like that one.
I think it's not big enough.
No, that one's big enough. It's a full-size backpack. It's good. And it comes with this. So that's a deal. And it's $20. I think it's $20. It says frozen backpack. Okay, frozen backpack is $20. Well, it shouldn't be that much. So let's just check it out. Okay, so Ella has changed her mind and she wants another one. Oh,
This I called it.
okay. Stuff it in there. Okay, so now she wants, which one you want? Oh, there's another one? Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Let's see that one.
Ooh, this one.
Oh,
Wow. Oh, that one fell too.
I want a cat one.
You want a cat one? Okay, we'll look for a cat one. But how about you try that on and let's see. But then that one doesn't come with a lunch box. Well, but that one's really nice though. Okay, now Ella, you have to walk so I can see how it looks when you walk. Wow, that one's amazing. You don't want that one because it's not a cat? You can say it's a cat. Look, it is a cat.
No.
Yeah, it's a cat. What do you think it is?
No.
What is it then?
Llama.
A llama?
Llama.
Oh, okay.
Llama.
I found a popping one.
I don't want to pop it.
Why don't you want a popping one?
I don't want a big one.
Okay.
Maybe I just should have the llama.
You think you're gonna get the llama?
I don't know. Get that in.
Okay, you want that one then?
Oh, it has a pencil case.
Ooh, no, that's not a pencil case. That's a purse. That's a money purse. You can put your money that you get from your birthday, Christmas, and all that. Yeah. Okay.
Now what am I getting?
Okay, I think that's all. I think we're done then.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna go pay for all this stuff now. Yay. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Yay. We're gonna have a lot of fun going back to school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See you. And remember to, what do you tell your fans?
Like and subscribe in the video.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
It's so heavy.
Feels like we're going to school? Yeah, we put all the stuff that we bought in there.
So heavy.
Wow, look at the bling.
Okay.